in conscience and care. From Jakarta's halls to the global domain, he builds a future free from despair, of peace where harmony will reign. He champions justice on every ground, calling for dialogue, calm and respect, where common ground can still be found, to shield the innocent and wrongs correct. He sees the wounds that division has brought. The
Gokil guys, Pak Prabowo dibikinin lagu sama dunia internasional sebagai pemersatu bangsa di bidang perdamaian. Luar biasa.
Prabowo, the president of Britain.